Welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the 5 best half-inch cordless impact wrenches, 2026, chosen for their torque, durability, and versatility. A 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench is essential for mechanics, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts who need reliable power for bolts, nuts, and heavy-duty fastening without being tethered to cords. These machines feature brushless motors, variable speeds, and high-capacity batteries to ensure consistent performance. With trusted names like CZI, Takuu, Jessamake, and other models compatible with major brands, this lineup covers everything from automotive repair to heavy construction projects. Let's explore the top 5 cordless impact wrenches that combine efficiency, strength, and professional quality. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. CZI Impact Wrench. The CZI Impact Wrench delivers up to 886 ft-lbs, 1200 Nm, of torque with 2,900 IPM, making it a powerful option for automotive, truck, and home maintenance. Compact yet robust, it features a 21V brushless motor and comes with 2 4.0Ah batteries, charger, and 5 sockets for convenience. Ergonomic design ensures comfort, while variable speed control provides precision for different applications. CZI balances affordability with performance, offering durability and reliability for demanding tasks. This model is ideal for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners who need a dependable cordless impact wrench for everyday heavy-duty projects. Number 2. Cordless Impact Wrench. The cordless impact wrench delivers up to 369 ft-lbs, 500 Nm, of torque with a brushless motor and 2,600 revolutions per minute power. Compact yet versatile, it balances strength with usability, featuring variable speed control for precision. The package includes a 4.0Ah battery, fast charger, and sockets, ensuring convenience for immediate use. Ergonomic design enhances comfort, while durable construction ensures reliability. This impact wrench is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners tackling car maintenance, furniture assembly, and mower repair. With its combination of portability, affordability, and advanced features, this cordless impact wrench delivers consistent performance for everyday projects. Number 3. Takuu Impact Wrench. The Takuu Impact Wrench is a heavy-duty option delivering up to 1200 Nm, 900 ft-lbs, of torque with a brushless motor and 3,300 revolutions per minute. Compact yet powerful, it balances strength with usability, featuring variable speed control for precision. The package includes a 4.0Ah battery, charger, and 6 sockets, making it ready for immediate use. Ergonomic design enhances comfort, while durable construction ensures reliability. Takuu delivers a strong option for mechanics and contractors seeking a cordless impact wrench that combines extreme torque, convenience, and consistent performance. This model is perfect for car tire changes, mower repair, and demanding automotive projects. Number 4. Jessamake Impact Wrench. The Jessamake Impact Wrench is a professional option delivering up to 1475 ft-lbs, 2000 Nm, of torque with a brushless motor. Compact yet robust, it balances durability with precision, offering 4 operating modes for different applications. The package includes 2 4.0Ah batteries and 5 sockets, ensuring convenience for immediate use. Ergonomic design enhances comfort, while advanced engineering guarantees long service life. Jessamake delivers a strong option for contractors and professionals seeking a cordless impact wrench that combines extreme torque, versatility, and consistent performance for heavy construction, truck maintenance, and industrial projects. Number 5. Cordless Impact Wrench. The cordless impact wrench is compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries and delivers up to 1100 ft-lbs, 1500 Nm, of torque. Designed for professionals, it features a brushless motor for efficiency and long service life. Compact yet powerful, it balances strength with usability, offering 3 speed modes for flexibility. LED lighting improves visibility in dark workspaces, while variable speed control ensures precision. As a bare tool, it provides flexibility for users who already own compatible batteries. This model is a practical solution for mechanics and contractors seeking a high-torque impact wrench that combines compatibility, durability, and consistent performance for automotive and construction projects. That wraps up our list of the 5 best half-inch cordless impact wrenches, 2026. From CZI's versatile models to Jesimake's extreme torque option, each wrench offers unique strengths for mechanics, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts. Cordless models compatible with DeWalt batteries provide flexibility for users who already own compatible tools, while high-capacity battery packages ensure long runtime and efficiency. Whether you prioritize maximum torque, compatibility, or everyday usability, this lineup ensures reliable performance for automotive repair, construction, and home projects. Small businesses and professionals thrive on efficiency, and these impact wrenches deliver both. Each model is designed to enhance productivity while maintaining durability, making them perfect for demanding tasks. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and keep your projects powered with the right half-inch cordless impact wrench.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.